Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how to log into your CapCut account using your mobile device. So in order to log into CapCut, first of all, download and open up the CapCut application on your device, and right after you do that, you will then be welcomed with this login page. You have several options to sign into your CapCut account with. You can log in using TikTok account, Facebook account, Google account, Apple ID, etc. Choose any one options that you'd like to log in with. I'm gonna log in using email, so let's tap on sign in with email. Now, if you choose email, you will be prompted to enter your email address and then your password associated with your CapCut account. Simply go ahead and enter your login details and tap the continue button. And soon after you do that, you will be logged into your account. You can now access all of your CapCut projects and features. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.